What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Lindsay. I do a lot of lifestyle videos here on my channel, anywhere from organizing and cleaning to keto to day in a life, and now my new series with interviews with other YouTube creators. I am actually doing a 20,000 subscriber giveaway today. This is a long awaited giveaway because I'm now like at 23 something, I believe. I will have all of the rules down in the description box on how to enter this giveaway. So the number one thing you want to be is a subscriber of my channel, because this giveaway is for my subscribers to give back to you guys for being awesome, always supporting my channel, commenting, liking, sharing, showing me love. I absolutely appreciate all of you guys. I wouldn't be at this amount of subscribers. I wouldn't get this amount of views or any views if it wasn't for you guys watching. So you guys are what makes this channel and makes this community, and I feel like it's a team thing. If I'm just putting out videos and putting them out there and nobody's watching, I don't really have a community, and I don't I don't have this. So I want to thank you guys personally. Thank you so much for supporting me and watching me and just being down for me, and I just love you guys so much. I really appreciate all of you guys, and I love getting to know you guys also in the comments and on your social medias, so thank you. You must comment down below what type of video that I do that you like the best. So if you like my day in the life, put day in the life. My cleaning videos, put that. My keto videos, put that. Whatever you guys like, let me know down below, and yeah, that's it. So let's jump in. Remember to go to the description box, make sure you're subscribed, and follow the rules there on how to enter. So the first thing I'm going to show you is from Bath & Body Works. These are products that I use personally, I absolutely love, and this is their aromatherapy line. So, oops, wrong side. So this is their body wash and foam bath, and this is their body lotion. This is all essential oil based, super natural. This is a lavender vanilla, like absolute. It says it inspires tranquility. It calms the mind and encourages relaxation. This is sleep lavender and vanilla with natural essential oil base. I actually give these as gifts to my family members, like my mom and sister-in-law and stuff like that for Christmas, because I love them that much. So these products right here were actually sent to me by a company called Proma. They sent it for free just because I get these cell phone cases, and they sent it for this giveaway purpose. They give you the actual cell phone case. You can change out the backs. So these are all super great quality. I've dropped my phone multiple times. It's been super safe. And this is actually going to be for the iPhone 7 and 8 Plus. So I'm sorry if you don't have that phone, but that's what this case goes to. And then if you have the iPhone 6, 7, or 8 Plus, you can use these backs for any of those. You're going to get this pink one, and then you can change out with these really, really pretty floral ones here. So the next thing that I got was this 100 Days to Brave Devotions for Unlocking Your Most Courageous Self book. I love this book. I have not read it, but I read a few pages of it, and I love self-help books. I love devotionals. I love those types of books, so I picked one up for me too, so we can read it together. No. It's by Annie Downs. These are just like, life gets difficult for us as women and moms, and she just has messages and stories every single day for you to read and just kind of conquer your fears. Right now in my life, I'm all about facing your fears, not letting fears stop you and control your life or control your goals. So I wanted to promote that and like share that with you guys, and I hope that the lucky winner will enjoy this book just as much as I know I will. And the next thing that I got is this cute little makeup pouch. It has pockets on the back here for like a lip gloss, and then some like papers or notes or something, and it says be fearlessly authentic, which again I love. I got this also from Target. It's super cute. It has the little gold stuff here, and it's blue, and then inside it's big enough, so you can use this for traveling, or if you like to organize and separate your stuff in like your handbag or your purse, then you can use this for that for different purposes, and I thought that was a really cute little add-on for you guys. So the next thing that I got is I went ahead and ordered a box of Shakeology samples, because so many of you guys are asking on my Instagram about Shakeology, how I like it, and I know that it can get a little bit expensive for someone who hasn't even tried it yet to decide whether they want to purchase it or get that monthly subscription of Shakeology. So I bought the box of samples so you can try, and they're like people sell these like $4 or $5 a serving. Like it's expensive because it's good quality. That's, if you do research on Shakeology, it has amazing benefits. It's a superfood drink and can be used as a meal replacement. I highly love it. I absolutely love it. So anyway, the winner will be winning 2 strawberries, which is my current favorite. Strawberry and chocolate are my current favorites. So you'll win 2 strawberries. You will win 2 chocolates. And then you will win these 2 vanillas. So then the next thing I got was this little notepad. I don't know if you can see this. There you go. It says #goals, and it's just a little notepad for you to take notes. These are really great for us mamas or us women who like to do like our power hour cleaning videos or power hour cleaning, and you want to write that list or your grocery list or your to-do list. I'm a list person, so I grabbed you a notebook so you can write down things also. The next thing I picked up from Hobby Lobby. You guys know I love my wood decor, and this was super cute. It says, don't just be kind to others, but be kind to yourself. I thought this was super awesome. It's a reminder to all of us to remember not only to be nice and take care of others and be nice to others, but a lot of times we aren't giving ourselves the same respect and love that we should or that we give other people. So I want you guys to remember to do that no matter what, is you gotta love yourself. Hopefully it's your style, whoever wins. So if not, I feel like it's universal. I feel like you can add this like in a bathroom or you know, a room or an office or anywhere. I think it's cute and universal. So the last thing, the big part of this giveaway, because I know you'll be super duper excited, because who wouldn't? I know I would be so excited, is this $50 gift card to Target, because Target is my jam. That is my store. You guys know, if you follow my Insta stories, I'm always there. It's right down the street, so it's really easy for me to go there before any store because it's the closest store to me, which is really weird, but true. So I got you $50 here. I hope that you enjoy it and buy all the things that you truly like. That is all I have for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this giveaway and like the goodies that I gave you. I try to do the best I can, but you know, life. So I hope you guys enjoy those, and I hope that the person that wins these are really happy with it. And thank you guys again for supporting me and always being here for me and commenting. I feel like I could cry right now, but I really love what I do, and I've been doing this for a few years now, and I'm just really happy that I am still going strong and that I have such an amazing community behind me that has my back, and I love you guys for that. So thank you so much for being here, and I will see you guys in my next video.